we've been talking about having specialty devices, which has been doable before, but it's been kind of a little bit of a pain. So you just would start with receptacles, create new, of course. Yeah, just the pledge receptacle, you just enter the quantity and it takes care of everything for you, of course, just like on a hover crow. But let's say you had 10, a little called specialty receptacles. I say they're 1 gang receptacles. Here under receptacles, we would choose contractor's choice. So what this is going to do for us is this is going to put in everything we need for this receptacle, except for the receptacle itself. Then we're going to go to custom items, open multiple items, go to devices, and then we can open up our NEMA configurations. So this would be all of our NEMA receptacles to choose from. And this would be go to devices again. And this would be our twist lock NEMA receptacles. So you just would enter 1M. That enters your receptacle. And we already have our conduit wire and other things allocated for it. You make choices here if you want to change the raceway size, couplings, connectors. You can change it, MC cable if you want to, distance apart. Whatever you made to change, you can change it there. So there's our 100 receptacles and our 10 specialty receptacles. So that's going to give us our boxes, plasterings, and that sort. And then our devices here. This would give us 10 of those devices. And that's all of our products. So that's a much easier way of doing it. And you can have pretty much any device you would ever come across in that list. So hope that helps. Have a blessed day.